Murphy has something to say. No? What's up, buddy? Yeah? Are you starving even though you have a little bit of food left? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so I think I'm going to get rid of my humidifier, guys. It's literally just been a glorified plant stand, so none of my plants have died without it being on for the last month. I think maybe it belongs in Sacramento at my mom's house, where she can also forget to refill it. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. I don't have anything that's gonna die without a humidifier at the moment, so